Stop scrolling. A robot just worked a 10-hour shift at a car factory for 11 months straight. A paralyzed man is browsing the internet using only his thoughts. And a smartwatch is predicting heart attacks days before they happen. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now in 2026, and most people have absolutely no idea. Stay with me till the end, because number 4 is the one that will genuinely change how you see the future. The future was supposed to arrive slowly. It did not. In 2026, 5 technologies crossed a line that scientists said would take decades, and every single one of them affects your daily life directly. Let me show you exactly what crossed that line. Technology number 1, humanoid robots are now working real jobs. Not in a lab, in an actual BMW car factory. A company called Figure AI sent its robot to work 10-hour shifts every single day for 11 months. It helped build over 30,000 cars. It moved 90,000 parts. It never called in sick, never asked for a raise. BMW is now expanding the program to more factories across Europe. This is not a prototype, this is a colleague. Technology number 2, and this one will give you chills. A 29-year-old man named Noland Arbor was paralyzed from the shoulders down. In 2020, Neuralink placed a coin-sized chip in his brain. Within hours, he was controlling a computer cursor using only his thoughts. Today, he plays video games, browses the internet, posts on social media. All through thought alone, no hands, no voice. Neuralink is now scaling this to thousands of patients. The human brain just got an upgrade. Technology number 3 shocked me. Most people still pay electricity bills at night thinking solar only works in sunlight. Scientists have now built solar panels that generate power in complete darkness. They capture infrared radiation that the Earth releases at night and convert it into electricity. The biggest barrier to clean energy just disappeared. Technology number 4, your smartwatch is about to become the most important medical device you own. AI-powered wearables in 2026 can now detect irregular heart rhythms and predict heart attacks days before they happen. It measures stress hormones and nutrient deficiencies in real time. No blood test, no doctor's appointment, no waiting. Technology number 5, and this one hits your wallet. A completely new type of battery made from sodium, the same element as table salt. It charges faster and works in extreme temperatures. It costs roughly half what lithium batteries cost to produce. Electric vehicles are about to become significantly cheaper. And your phone, your laptop and your home battery backup are next. 5 technologies, all real, all happening right now. The future did not wait for permission. It just arrived. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe to Tech Simplified Pro for more on the future.